do another regression.
You know how much
This
people
time we're going to uh,
do the
go.
graph,
Let's
do
do
the data.
one new document. Do you want to save it? No, we don't want to save
Yeah,
it.
yeah, save it, save it, save it.
And then we want to add a list. And this time we have to look at the data, see what it is. Let's
It's
see.
1996
It's
through
year
2006, and value.
and
Value.
present value.
No, it doesn't want save.
Present value. And so here's the data from 5.3. This is 5.3 modeling functions with regression, and we are uh,
Hey, go back to the numbers. Look at the clock number.
investing
That one.
value of account. Okay. It's suggested that we do a function years after 1996. Let's take a moment to
Go back.
write those down.
7900. What was the other one? 8600. Go down.
So 5,000, 1,400, 5,800, 6,300, 6,800,
Put myself out.
6,800, 7,300, 7,900, 8,600, 9,300, 10,000, 11,000, and now the year. Okay, we'll start with 1996. This would equal, press the equal key, and then press A, since this is column A, 1 plus 1. That's one more year. Then move it up, and then press Control in the center, click, then fill down. And you press enter, and we'll do the same thing. So you can see that that's 11 rows. Now, our next job, now that we have the data, is to insert the scatter plot. So that would be insert 7 data and statistics. Click on the x-axis, year, then click on the y-axis to get the present value of the money. And they told us this looks exponential. Now you can try different ones. Menu, analyze, regression. And you can show what you think it is. If you want to show linear, you can show linear. You can hide it if you want. Regression, and hide the linear, and show. You can show quadratic. Menu, analyze, regression, or show exponential. And it seems to me that this one, well, that's the quadratic. Let's see, where's exponential? Nope. You can show the residuals. Okay, to help you decide which one is better. So here's a trick that I just realized. When you're looking at linear residuals, and if the residuals look like a parabola, then guess what? That means that the fit, maybe it's quadratic, yeah? Let's see. Anyway, let's go on.
How do you graph it?
Let's hide the linear. Hide the quadratic. And now we have the exponential. Now, will this show me residuals for that? Unlike Desmos, this will not show me residuals for this. Nope, only in linears. Okay, so that's a limitation of the Inspire. All right, now what we'd like to do is insert a graph. So I do that, and I set the. I would like to have a scatter plot here. So menu 3, 6. Variable is year for the domain. Tab, and variable we need present value. Press enter. We don't see anything because we have to realize what the table looked like. Let's take a look at the table real quick. From 1996, this is set from 1995 all the way to I don't know, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1995 to 2007, and from like 4,000 to 11,000 or 12,000. 11.5. So we could go here, and here we're going to put, what was it again? Oh yeah, from a high of 2007, and we could start at 1995. 1995. Okay, so also the maximum in the Y could be 12, 1, 2, 3,000. The low, well, no, I can't reach the low. But here is the scatter plot. And now we can press tab, and we see we still have scatter plots, so we go menu, 3, function. There's no function yet because I haven't defined it. Go back to the first page, go up so you're here next to the value, and let's run the regression. Menu, statistics, data, statistics. Okay, why isn't it showing? I'll tell you why. Because I'm trying to enter something into the value. So let's try this again. Just move up without getting into cell, leave it blue, and do menu, statistics, stat calculation, regression, and we want it to be exponential. We want the function x value to be here, the other value, the response variable, present value, stored in function 1, that's fine. Next available function. Here's the regression. Let's switch to page. You'll see now that F2 is showing because up here, and F1 is to go up and press enter, and it'll fit it in there. At 9 times e to the negative 65, and 1.08% more each time. So that's our model. No. Let's pause a moment. What we want to do now is be able to predict what's going to happen in 2020. This only shows up to 2017, so I need to click here. Press 2030, say. And then we can do that. Or, let's undo that. Let's see, I'm curious. If I leave it the way it was, Control Z, can I just press menu and then trace? And graph trace. then ask, okay, that's a scatter plot. Obviously, if I go along the scatter plot, I don't have any enough data to do that. Like I go down to the function and ask, what happens in 1998? Well, that was that much money, and which is $5,820. Let's do menu, analyze. Let's see, settings. Photo 2. Okay, well, let's see. What if I want the year 2020? So, 2020. It moves by itself, and it rounds it here and gives me an approximate number. I would like more exact number than that. So I'm going to add a page and ask. I calculate it and press F1 and ask for 2020. And apparently it's $32,460.60. Unless, because I changed the settings, let me see. I don't like float 4 or float 6. Sometimes you have to do a little multiplication, show some heading. I changed it to float 7 so I could have more digits out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I could see the 63 cents. Now, my question is, how come I can't see it here? Doc. There. That's a little better. And in this case, I guess I... Okay. Okay, let's add a note. You can insert, if you want to be extra, yeah, add a note. The model, the exponential model was f1 of x equals, and you could write it down, and f1 of 2020 equals, what was it, 32,000, actually I forgot what it was, 63 cents. And
we leave?
Was Freddie here in the morning? Raul. Was Freddie here in the morning?
No, I don't think so. Why? Can we leave, mister?
Hold on.
You can hold on. It's a yes or no question.
No.
Yes.
No, I forgot the function. Thanks. 9.07.
I know.
So starting out with 5,000.